is the door and the walls different colors? Excuse me? This chair is not doing it for me, but I can't bother to switch. Is it even in focus? Hi. Wait, no. Anyway, hi. Hi. So today I'm gonna do a makeup look. I don't really have a plan, so I'll just have to wing it as I go, I guess. I'm not good with intros. I'm just gonna start with the video. So I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit. So I'm gonna start with my brows, and I'm just gonna fill them in like I usually do. And I'm just gonna darken that up with a darker eyeshadow. And now I'm just gonna carve out these little bad boys, or this bad boy. I'm using a cream concealer. I'm gonna use this brush, I don't know what it's called, but this, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I think I'm gonna start out with the eyes now, and what I'm thinking is like my inspiration was a picture of a clown eating fire. That says a lot about me, but what I'm thinking is three of the same shapes but different placements, if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna like carve the shape out with the same concealer I used for cleaning up my brows, and I'm gonna like pack on red, orange, and yellow. I guess I'm doing like an eyeliner kind of. I'm gonna draw out these shapes first, and then I'm gonna fill them in with color. So I'm gonna start the orange there. And then the yellow, I guess. I'm gonna go in with the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use You're Kidding 518 and B. There it is. And I'm gonna like I'm gonna like outline. I'm the worst at explaining. I'm gonna start with the red shade You're Kidding. Okay, I'm gonna pack it on. Try to sharpen the lines up and just pack it on to give it a really opaque color. So now that I've packed on the red shade, I'm gonna go in with the orange, which is 518, I believe, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing, just with orange. Now I'm going in with the yellow shade B. I'm gonna try to clean them up with concealer, and then I'll see what I do from there. So I've tried cleaning them up and packed on more of the shades I used. Queen of explaining. So now I'm gonna go in with a white shade, and I'm using the shade Flashback. Okay, that's about the patience I have. I'm too lazy to make it perfect, basically. It's not that bad. I'm gonna do the other eye off camera and then I'll be back to do the face and like finishing touches on the eye. So, BRB. So I've done both the eyes now and I have nothing to say. I'm bad at making videos. Anyway, I've done the eyes now and I'm gonna move over to the face, and I've like moisturized my face already, so I'm gonna use Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. I'm gonna go in with a lighter foundation and use that as a concealer slash highlight thing. And I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna take a just like normal translucent powder and just set my entire face. Nothing special. I'm now going in with a color powder. It's from Makeup Revolution and it's their matte base powder in P2. And I'm gonna set my under eyes and where I like use my highlight. And I'm just gonna dust that off so it doesn't look insane. Like it already doesn't. I try to use this as a mirror. I'm not tired. Now I'm gonna bronze with this, I don't know, luxury tan. And I'm using a like fan brush because I can't contour. I shouldn't really contour. I mean, I can't contour. I can't really do makeup either, but ew, it's awful. I'm gonna just contour my nose ever so slightly. Also, I don't know English. I'm irrelevant. It's so hot outside. I don't know why I decided to do a full base. But anyway, for blush, I'm gonna use a just peachy, like shimmer blush. Can someone help me speak?
I swear to God.
And I'm putting it mainly on like this area of my face.
Cute.
Before I go in with shimmer highlight, I'm gonna curl my lashes and I'm gonna put on mascara.
So let's do that.
Be looking fine. While I let this layer dry, I'm gonna draw my face in highlighter.
How about that?
I'm gonna go back in with the James Charles palette and use the color Face. Well, I look so good. Like it's illegal. I look so good. By the way, this I'm gonna have a montage of me thinking I look good. So, and I don't know what I did really. But here it is. It's not really worth it to do an outro because no one watches my videos, but if you did watch this video, thank you, and
Subscribe and like and...
Can I just skip all that and say goodbye? Bye!